I guess I just wanted your reaction to former Secretary Babe Singson resigning from the ICI, and also yung bill that's pending in both Senate and the lower chamber to give the ICI more powers. It has stalled, no?
Yeah, hopefully next week we'll be able to pass the Senate version, and I just hope the House will follow suit or even get ahead of the Senate in passing the bill, the counterpart measure.
Wala naman opposition sa House, sa Senate, sir. Wala naman ano.
Wala, lahat kami fully supportive ng pagtayo ng Independent People's Commission. Kasi kailangan talaga wala silang poder. Tapos yun nga, wala masyadong personality, ika nga. So it's about time na ma-institutionalize natin at least for a certain period of time na meron silang immunity. I don't know how we will go about giving them the contempt powers kasi baka sa court lang po pwede yan. Although yung Senate or Congress as a legislative body, pero naman din kaming contempt powers. Kasi what good is a subpoena power kung wala ka namang contempt powers? Although, just like the CIDG and the NBI, pag may subpoena powers, pwede naman silang pumunta sa court para humingi ng indirect contempt against those persons who will ignore the subpoena.